Day 12 of learning German without memorizing words. Today we unlock mental velocity and look at how to trap your thoughts inside the German cage. In English, expressing a thought is a straight line. I understood the problem, or I thought about you. But a German brain handles a thought like a package that needs to be sealed out back. You must use the have done cage. The mental action belongs at the very end. Mutate your English to this. I have the problem, understood, and I have about you, thought. Now slot in your master mental verbs, verstehen and denken. Look, ich habe das Problem verstanden. Ich habe an dich gedacht. The details stay in the middle. The action locks the door. Control the architecture, control your mind. Hit follow for day 13, where I show you ghost prefixes, the ultimate hack for complex German verbs.